Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're back with another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a VPN app that helps you secure your internet connection and add extra protection while you're online. I'd like to welcome all viewers and subscribers to the channel. Here we regularly share apps that can help improve your online security and browsing experience. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. Once you're there, search for PK Tunnel Plus VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your phone. After installing the app, open it to begin the setup. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, take a moment to like the video, share it, and subscribe so you don't miss future content. When the app opens, you'll need to complete a few simple settings. First, tap on the Update option. When prompted, choose the online update so the app can refresh its resources and work properly to secure your connection. Once the update is finished, select a server. I recommend choosing the Auto Select server because the app will automatically connect you to the best performing server based on your location. Next, choose the connection method. For today's guide, select the All Country UDP option. UDP is fast and works well in many regions that support it. If this option doesn't work for you, you can tap on the list and manually select your country's UDP setting. After completing these steps, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and within a few seconds your internet connection will be secured. That's how you can set up PK Tunnel Plus VPN to get a fast, stable, and secure connection with added protection while browsing online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.